So guys, here is the famous onion pudi uttapam in Murugan Idli, and as you can see, looks just yummy. गाइस हम रुके हैं अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2-2.5 घंटे पहले कोडाई कनाल से. Behind me there's a big hill. It's very beautiful, very nice roads, awesome weather, and enjoying the journey. Stay with me because I'm going to bring more and more exciting things as we reach Kodaikanal and show you. तो गाइस हम हैं अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 घंटे पहले कोडाई कनाल से एंड वी हैव स्टॉप्ड एट दिस प्लेस. It's called Eden Garden. It's on the way to Kodaikanal. Nice hotel. You have a AC room. It's very hot, around 37-38 degrees. We'll have food and then move along. There is actually a lake in front and ample of parking. Kodaikanal city. We are approximately 2 kilometers away from the resort. So guys, our room is on the first floor. These are the 2 rooms. Hold on. So guys, as you can see, this is the room. This is the washroom, the bed. They have also given a cupboard, TV, and here is the view of the resort. Isn't it just beautiful? Okay guys, so we have reached the resort and it is just amazing room. It's so cozy that I can't tell you. There is no fan, right? And the weather is pleasant. It is very nice to walk in the mountain. I was driving in the morning. It was approximately 37-38 degrees hot, and now it's around 18 degrees, 17 degrees at 5:30 p.m. I am sure that in the night the temperature is going to drop to around 12-10 degrees, and it's going to be really nice. Excited for tomorrow, more things to come. Stay tuned.